Hello everybody, I hope you're having a wonderful morning this morning, and today I would like to go over the XRP price chart. So I hope everyone had a great Halloween. We're coming back, still Friday. We got a little bit of a move up. So from where we last left off, we're still looking at this low right here at 0.486. We got some great price action down here from 0.486 all the way up until 0.505. So as we started to make our way up here, we had our one curl over. We all remember that. We had our one curl over, and then we started bouncing up diagonally upwards. Boom, boom, boom. And then we kind of created almost like a level right here. And I told you guys, hey, we have some problem areas right here. You guys already knew that, but we kind of created almost this level right here. These lows are usually all suspect because orders start piling up here. And if we were looking for a move to the upside, then we would go ahead, come down, and usually take these lows first, just as far as like easy liquidity goes. We know it's sitting here. We got these three lows here. Then we got our move up. We threw off a TVP right here on the 28th of October at around 0.516. We threw off a TVP, came up, arched over, false bottom stop right here. Not really. I mean, it just kind of rolled straight over, came down, took that level with the TVP, came all the way down here and took out these problem areas. Now we got this dip to the downside. And when I saw this dip to the downside form yesterday, it actually was on clean price action. So this area was on clean price action. It came down, but the problem was it just looked a little bit weird. Like these three bottoms right here, it just didn't look right. So it was all right to see. Technically no TVP was thrown off, but then price came back up, boom, took out this level. You know, there's liquidity here, on a quick wick, spiked back up. And then I was like, okay, we're probably going to get a little bit of relief in this market right now because it's been down a lot. You know, the market tends to move in waves and switch back and forth, and that's why it's so unpredictable. Obviously, everyone knows that already, but we got this quick wick down, then we started getting spiking tops. It looks like we kind of ran out of a little momentum up here around 0.524, kind of wick back down almost to this problem area, then came up, and now we're sitting at about 0.516 at the time of this recording. As far as these problem areas down here, we can see they've already gotten taken, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete these. There was definitely liquidity building here. I could see it all the way back in the 27th of October and the 26th of October that these areas were suspect. We already got that taken, so again, I'm going to go ahead and delete those levels. As far as the price goes right now, it just looks like we're trying to form a bottom here, and it just looks so bottom side here, and it's my belief that it's definitely possible that we could get a move to the upside. That would be almost my bias right now. We're just hanging so low, so I'm thinking we're ready for a move upwards. The weird part was, though, is I have to be, unfortunately, true to my strategy. And on the order books, I saw a TVP form at on the 31st of October. So yesterday, a TVP did form. We got clean price action up on this little bump right here, but then we came down and actually put a TVP at 0.505. And that just kind of makes me a little bit suspicious. You know, it is possible that this is the ultimate low of this structure and we never come down to this level and just leave it for the entire bull run, because we just look like we're just forming bottoms right now, and it looks like we could get a potential move up. But I still have to say something. You know, I'm not gonna skirt around the issue. We got a TVP around 0.505. So I'm going to mark that out for everyone. It seems a little suspicious because I feel like we're going up. We might get a nice rally here. But the weird thing is we got a TVP right here at this level. And I'm going to tell you guys about it, even though it just seems weird because this does seem like a low to me. But I guess the price action is saying, hey, there's something going on with this level. If we shoot off and explode right into the bull run, then I'll be like, okay, this TVP area was left, but they haven't gotten left in 4 years. And I'm just going to put this here for everyone so you can see that I guess our bias is to the downside. Even though I'm personally more biased to the upside here, we might get a nice move up before coming down, or maybe just a nice move up, but it happened. I saw it in the price action, saw it in the order book, so I gotta say something. 0.505. If we come down here, I'm hoping it's just on a wick, so we can kind of just start forming a base here. But also, if we're down in this area again after moving up of 0.505, it makes me a little bit more suspect to the downside here, around 50 cents, possibly get a retest. So just watch out for that. We did actually get a new TVP. So I'm going to come on here and I'm going to tell you about it, even if we look super bullish, which we do. And I really hope we just take off here. We got the election coming up, couple days. We're going to see it's possible to get an upside move. I personally am ready for an upside move. But as far as the price action goes in the chart, the weirdest thing is it says it has a TVP that it just threw off yesterday at 0.505. So we're going to see how that plays out. I do expect to move up, but if history is any indicator, XRP will just chop around here, really hang low for the beginning part of the bull run, the alt bull run beginning part, and then it will just slowly ramp up, melt up, and then boom, it gets its explosion moment a little bit later. So we're going to see how that plays out. We're going to stay up to date on the price action. Right now, I guess we just threw off a TVP of 0.505. Seems a little bit weird to me, but hey, we might come back down to this level, take out this level, and then continue upwards. Thank you.